Indecent Representation of Women, Prohibition, Act, 1986. Very important exam clarification, high scoring point. The Indecent Representation of Women, Prohibition, Act, 1986 does not contain sections 1 to 20. The Act has only 9 sections, sections 1 to 9. Sections 10 to 20 do not exist. Mentioning this clearly in exams fetches extra marks. Correct, exam-oriented explanation of sections 1-9. Entire Act covered. Section 1, short title, extent and commencement. Called the Indecent Representation of Women, Prohibition, Act, 1986. Extends to the whole of India. Comes into force on the date notified by the central government. Section 2, definitions. Defines key terms such as indecent representation of women, depiction of a woman's figure, form or body in a manner that is indecent, derogatory, denigrating, likely to deprave, corrupt or injure public morality, advertisement, distribution, publication, etc. Most important definitional section. Section 3, prohibition of indecent representation of women. Prohibits indecent representation of women through advertisements, publications, writings, paintings, figures, photographs, films, etc. Section 4, prohibition of publication or sending by post. Prohibits printing, publishing or circulating indecent material, sending such material by post or in any form. Section 5, penalty, punishment for first offence, imprisonment up to 2 years or fine up to 2,000 rupees or both. Subsequent offence, imprisonment up to 5 years and fine up to 10,000 rupees. Frequently asked in criminal law women-centric legislation. Section 6, offences by companies. If offence committed by a company, person in charge, director manager, deemed guilty. Defence available if offence committed without knowledge or due diligence. Section 7, power to enter and search. Authorized officers may enter premises, conduct search and seizure, similar to CRPC search powers. Section 8, protection of action taken in good faith. No legal proceedings against government or officers for acts done in good faith. Section 9, power to make rules. Central government may frame rules to carry out the provisions of the Act. Sections thus to be do not exist in this Act. High-yield exam takeaways. Act protects dignity and decency of women. Covers advertisements, publications, films, visuals. Definition of indecent representation is crucial. Companies can be held criminally liable. Total sections no only. Model 1-line exam answer. The Indecent Representation of Women, Prohibition, Act, 1986 consists of sections 1 to 9 only and prohibits indecent depiction of women in advertisements, publications, and other media, prescribes penalties, and provides enforcement powers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.